Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have the photo and you're signed in, good. First, tap the plus to create a pin and choose Upload Image. This starts the upload flow. You do this now because Pinterest reads metadata and may autofill title or alt text, which saves time. Once the file is selected, make sure to pick the correct board and orientation. Landscape or portrait affects how people see it in feeds. This step establishes context, so the next actions add details and links. Now you add the how and why. Write a concise title, then a description that uses keywords relevant to your photo so it surfaces in searches. You should include a destination URL if you want traffic. This turns pins into referrals. Once done, add alt text to improve accessibility and algorithmic understanding. Make sure to pick a board that matches the theme. This helps Pinterest categorize it. When everything looks right, preview the pin to confirm composition and links. You're almost finished. Tap Publish or Save and watch the pin appear on your board and profile. This confirms success. If it doesn't show up, first check common issues: file format, file size limits, a weak network, or app permissions preventing uploads. You can clear the app cache, update the app, or re-upload the image. Drafts let you refine before publishing. If problems persist, try a different device or browser. That isolates whether it's account level or device specific.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.